Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's word of the week for week number 14 is vitamin D. Now the benefits of vitamin D is it supports your immune system, it helps with your bone health, and it improves your overall heart health. Different foods that are rich in vitamin D are carrots, meats, eggs, fish, broccoli, melons, such as cantaloupe, which is one of my favorite, avocados, and much, much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 14 consists of the following exercises. Number 1, skaters. Number 2, walking lateral squats. 3, push-ups. 4, flutter kicks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So exercise number 1 is going to be skaters. So again, if you guys forgot how to do skaters, you're going to have your feet together. You can start on your left side or your right side, completely up to you. And you're just going to jump to the one side, and then your back foot hits the floor. And then you're going to jump to the other side, back foot hits the floor. And you go back and forth like you guys are roller skating or ice skating. So those are skaters. We're going to get into a nice squat position. We're going to go feet shoulder width apart. We're going to squat down and we're going to step 3 steps to your right. And again, you can start on your right or left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go back. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go 3 to the right. And then we're going to go 3 to the left. Again, walking lateral squat. We got push-ups. Now, there's going to be 3 variations of push-ups. If you are not yet comfortable doing a push-up, that is okay. You guys can do a push-up plank. So you're going to place your hands facing forward. Never turn your wrist out. You can really damage your wrist, okay? So we're going to go into a plank position, push-up plank position, just like this. Your feet are straight out together. Back is straight as well. If you are a little more comfortable with push-ups, you can do a modified push-up. Again, hands are facing forward. We are going to go on our knees and we're going to go down and up, down and up. Make sure you guys are always facing forward. And again, if you are comfortable doing push-ups, you can do the full push-up in itself. Again, hands facing forward. Got my knees off the ground. My legs are straight, keeping my back straight, and I'm going to go down and up, down and up. Okay. And last, we got flutter kicks. So I'm going to go ahead and go on my back. Have my legs facing forward, straight out. If you want to bring up your head, you can do that as well to make it a little more challenging and go up and down. Okay, those are called flutter kicks. All right, so get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 14, so stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, and go. Side to side, step, side to side. Bring that back foot, touch the floor, okay? Challenge yourself to leap as far as you can, side to side. Great job. Don't quit, my friends, keep working hard. Do your best. All right, let's go. Those walking lateral squats. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Again, go right and left. You want to try yourself, go a little bit lower. I know I'm feeling it. Great job, my friends. A couple more seconds left. Let's go. Finish up. All right, let's go. Some push-ups. I'm going to go and do regular push-ups. You guys can do modified. Completely up to you. Ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Push-ups. Remember to keep your back straight. Hands are facing forward. 30 seconds. You guys can do it. Come on. Push yourself. If you need to take a quick break, that's okay. Take a quick break. Let's jump right back in. All right, we got flutter kicks. Finish it off. Round one's almost done. Flutter kicks. Ready? Go. Great, keep up the good work. I'm going to breathe through your nose. I'll breathe them up. All right, time. 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Woo! All right. All right, you completed one round already. Again, we're going to start back at the top with our skaters, walking lateral squats, push-ups, and flutter kicks. Wait till you get some water. Also remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what was your most challenging exercise, or what exercise you felt you're the most comfortable with in this round. Again, I'm going to challenge you guys, round 2, push yourself harder, okay? All of these workouts are only 5 minutes, so you guys push as hard as you can for 5 minutes, okay? We have 10 seconds left. Deep breaths in. Here we go. I'm going to start my right side this time. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, skaters side to side. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, see how far you can leap. To your right and to your left. Let's go, skaters. Work hard, come on. Remember our motto, just finish. One more. All right, let's go. Walk the lateral squats. Squat, go down. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Go back. Lower. Lower. Woo! I've done it. Keep going. All right, let's go. Push-ups. We're going to do modified push-ups so you guys can see the time. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to modify for 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then I'm going to go into those planks. Again, whatever you guys are comfortable with, do your best. Okay? My back is straight. Okay, I'm not doing a mountain. I'm not doing a seal. So my back is straight. Right. Last one. Finish it off. Let's go. Flutter kicks. Go, go, go. Turn up your core. Turn up your abs. Make sure your toes are pointing up. Push. And time. Nice job. You guys did awesome. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 14. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout, what exercise you would like to see. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag the P spot, because I would like to see you performing these exercises. So again, don't forget to use our hashtag the P spot. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you and it is called Hula Horseshoe. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. For this game, you're only going to need a few household items. If you have a hula hoop or some type of ring that will roll on the floor, that's one item you're going to need. You're going to need a bucket or a basket, and if you have some tape available, if not, you can use a shoe. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so the way this game is played is very simple, or very similar to the game of horseshoes. I have this is going to be my horseshoe, my hula hoop. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to stand behind this line, which is going to be 8 feet away from the bucket, and I'm going to have to roll this. Use my opposite foot forward. I'm gonna have to roll. Is for me to get this hula hoop as close to the bucket as possible. If it touches the bucket, just like that, that is worth 1 point. If the hula hoop lands like this, that is gonna be worth 2 points. If the hula hoop lands over it completely, that's gonna be worth 3 points. Now I'm gonna have 1 minute to get the hula hoop as many points as I can in 1 minute with the hula hoop, okay? And again, 1, it touches, 2, it lands on top, and 3, the hula hoop lands perfectly over the bucket. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll demonstrate the activity in just a moment. 2, 1, and go. Okay. Points there. That was good. Up, 2 points. Alright, so I got 2 points on that round. Alright, joints up, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 3 points right off the bat. As long as it rolls on the floor, that's all that matters. Ooh, 6 points. Oh, 9 points. Jordan has a different strategy than I did. Nice job. That does not count. It has to roll. It has to roll for it. No topping. Rolling. Nope, does not count. It has to roll. Keep it on the ground. There it is. Oh, that's 15 points. Jordan is doing amazing. 17 points. And time. Going for a total of 17 points. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 2 points. That's 5 points. And time. So I got a total of 5 points for round number 2. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. 3 points. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the game of Hula Horseshoes. Make sure you stay tuned for further content. Again, don't forget to comment below. Let us know what